Do you ever feel like you're only scratching the surface with your investing platform, missing out on the tools the pros use? I know I did. When I first started with Wealthsimple, I was sold on the simple, zero-commission trading and the easy robo-advisor portfolios. But after a few years of using the app every single day, I realized there's a whole layer of sophisticated features that Wealthsimple has built in, features you might not even know you have access to, and honestly, they feel a lot like those tools the wealthy use to keep for themselves. I'm talking about the stuff that actually moves the needle on your returns, and I want to share my personal experience with the 3 biggest game changers for my own portfolio, moving from a passive investor to an active one without switching platforms. 1. Real-time quotes and advanced data. The first one is purely about information, real-time quotes and level 1 streaming data. For the longest time, I just accepted the 15-minute delay on stock prices. You see a stock drop, you try to buy it, and the price has already jumped back up. It was frustrating. But Wealthsimple introduced live streaming quotes across both their mobile app and the web platform. This is critical for getting the best execution price. Now, when I'm trading, I'm seeing the live bid and ask prices, the same data used by day traders, and it has completely changed how I feel about my self-directed investing. No more guessing games, just up to the second accuracy. 2. Automation and fractional shares. My second favorite feature is less about trading and more about pure convenience and efficiency, recurring investments and fractional shares. As an investor, the single best thing I've done is automate my investing. With Wealthsimple, I can set up a recurring deposit from my bank and then set a second recurring investment right into specific stocks or ETFs. Every payday, the money moves and the investment is made automatically. But the real power up here is the ability to use fractional shares with those recurring investments. This means I can choose to buy $100 worth of a stock, even if the share price is $1,000. Before, I had to save up for weeks to buy a single share of a high-priced tech company. Now, I can put my money to work immediately, dollar cost averaging into a diverse portfolio of expensive stocks without any wasted time or cash sitting on the sidelines. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it tool for serious long-term growth. 3. Premium benefits and rewards. Finally, let's talk about benefits that aren't purely investment-related but save you real money, premium and generation status perks. You might think this is just for the high rollers, but once I hit the $100,000 asset milestone for premium status, the fee structure completely changed for the better. Managed investing fee drop. My managed portfolio fee dropped from 0.5% to 0.4%. That might sound small, but over a lifetime of investing, that's thousands of dollars I keep. USD accounts. I got access to free USD accounts for my self-directed trading. This eliminates the currency conversion fee I was paying every time I bought a US stock, which was a massive hidden cost I hadn't properly accounted for. Lifestyle rewards. I even started getting things like airport lounge passes or discounts on other services. It's just a nice bonus for consolidating my wealth. Reaching that tier didn't just feel like a status symbol, it unlocked tangible, money-saving features that directly increase my net returns. These aren't the flashy front-page features, but they are the tools that fundamentally improve your experience, lower your costs, and make you feel like you truly have a sophisticated, all-in-one financial home. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.